Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Welcome to my media channel. And today we're going to unbox something that I probably should have opened a long time ago, but when I was going through my movies, I realized, oh, I have not unboxed this. And guess what? This is no longer available. This is a Best Buy exclusive steelbook packaging of the 4K version of The Batman. I was watching John Campy's show yesterday, and he mentioned how many movies are bought and then never opened, and it's like, yeah, that can be an issue. At the same time, Max can't take this away from me. They just can't. So, I mean, he did this little rant yesterday. Maybe I'll make a video, I don't know. But comment below if you'd like to see it. So anyway, this is especially almost nostalgic now. I almost don't want to open it because it has that Best Buy sticker. It has their updated Best Buy logo on it. So this may very well be one of the last steelbook release. Well, maybe not one of the last, but I think Oppenheimer might be the last one, but So anyway, let's look at this and open it. On the side, you have the wonderful Batman logo with the new Warner's logo. On the back, it shows you have Batman and Selina Kyle, aka Catwoman, although I don't know if she's called Catwoman in this end. Riddler, played magnificently by Paul Dano. By the way, this movie probably should have been rated R, just mentioning it. There's the digital code, and by the way, another reason to open this is because the digital code might be expiring soon, and I do want to redeem it. So as much as I prefer physical over digital, digital does have its advantages when it's time to, travel and everything like that. So let's open this and see what it looks like on the inside. So this one has actually a rough surface. I don't think you can really see it, but oh, no glue to hold that there. Let's look at the back, and ooh, I love that. I love that image. That's a great image for this movie. Let me open and take the oh well, I guess they turn the code around. By the way, you can there's a limited time sale, so that's probably not a thing anymore. So let's see, we have the 4K disc, which is appropriately in black for Batman. Let's take this out. Sometimes the only problem with these steelbooks is sometimes it's hard to take these things out. And I can tell what's behind there now. Here's the Blu-ray. It's like interesting that I didn't make that blue, but whatever. Now here's something interesting. I love this design for the special features. Like, there's been a lot of complaints that special feature discs are becoming a dying thing and that companies don't put a lot of time into them anymore. But just by this label alone, the fact that they took the time to make a special features disc that looks like this with the Riddler logo and everything means that I officially want to watch the special features. So, to the Batman. I knew that's what they were going to do. To the Batman. If you've seen the movie, you know why To the Batman is such a big thing. It's in all the letters that Riddler sends him. By the way, I think this was said enough times in the movie that I am a little surprised people didn't, or whoever was making it, didn't seriously consider calling it To the Batman, because thematically it makes a lot of sense. So let's put these back in the cases. I will watch this movie again one of these days. This was really good. I do love how it has HDR, and I just love this image. This one's one of the times where it's worth getting the steelbook just for the image, because you have Batman, but then the silhouette is the Riddler question mark, and you have the Batman there. And I also noticed, like, way in the bottom corner, there's a little DC logo. That that might be a little on the nose, I'll admit, but it's cute at the same time. So anyway, that's the no longer available Best Buy Steelbook edition of the Batman in Ultra HD 4K. Do any of you have this set? If so, what do you think of it? And are you going to try to hunt it out now that you've seen this video? Like, do you look at this and say, oh yeah, I really want that as part of my collection? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.